Jai Hind to all of you. Myself, Indraj San. Today I am going to talk about carbon tax. Carbon tax is a form of pollution tax which will imposed on those goods or services which are made with the help of burning of carbon-based fossil fuel such as oil, gas, coal, etc. The main motive or target of carbon tax is environmental protection and to reduce the output of greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide gas. In recent years, we have seen massive change in our environment and climate. As a result, we have seen lot of massive drought, heavy rains, irregularity in seasons. These are result of climate change, and we have seen various another bad consequences of climate change like refugee crisis. So after that, various organizations came with something called carbon tax. Carbon tax will not same for every fossil fuel. It will depend on content or amount of carbon in that particular fossil fuel. Now the question over here is, who will pay the carbon tax? Carbon tax will be paid by consumers and producers. On each ton of greenhouse gas emission, government will set a price which will be paid by consumers and producers. As we know, everyone wants to save their money, and producers and consumers will try to minimize or mitigate the use of those products which are made with the help of carbon emission things. Now there are various issues which are associated with carbon tax. As we know, Western countries emitted a huge amount of carbon or greenhouse gases during their developing phase, and now they are blaming India, China and other Asian countries for climate change. So that's a not good thing. This clearly shows the hypocrisy of Western world. As of 2020, United States of America was on second number in carbon emission list. So United States of America and European countries are, even though those countries are also not doing good work at ground level. In Conference of Parties 27, European Union and various organizations decided to start or impose a carbon tax by 2026. As we know, India is a developing country and India is very good in steel production. If Indian companies will produce steel with using of various carbon emission fossil fuel, then European Union will impose a import duty on Indian goods, and after that Indian producers will face difficulties and they will try to move on an alternative of fossil fuel. So main motive of this is that, but there are various disadvantages of this, like if this will not implemented in a direct manner, then various economies will face bad consequences which already struggling financially. After that, as we know, India has already decided to become net zero carbon emission country by 2017, and India has also decided to reduce the carbon emission by 50% by 2030. So India and China are continuously doing their work and doing contribution in climate change. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind.